Okay, gotta love Southeast Ohio. So I just left the shed, getting the shovel for tomorrow. We are already, looks like, 4 inches of snow. So I know tomorrow I'm gonna have to shovel this driveway because I won't be able to get in. This is crazy, y'all. Look at this. So I'm making my way back to the house. Probably should grab some firewood or something else while I'm out here. Kind of like this weather, believe it or not. Not for long periods of time, but the old fire pit. Look at how much snow is on that board right there. It's just crazy. Need to get some firewood here in a minute.